Where? One over here. Look at. Right here. Right here. Right here. Oh no. So we're on the way to the reception and we need to decorate. Hi guys, so right now we're here at the park. We are setting up for a cake smash shoot. I'm doing a free cake smash shoot to my community. I just put it out on Facebook and had some people sign up so that I can get free portfolio photos for my website and for like my new line of rentals, which is something that I'm trying to do. So this is a really good way to try to get photos that you can use in promotions. You guys ask me all the time, I don't have any photos of clients, I don't have any photos of parties. Photo shoots are it. That is the way to do it. And if you really want to get extra, I mean, you can set it up in your house by yourself. I mean, you can use your nieces or your daughters or anything like that, but if you really want to get extra, just post a little free photo shoot on Facebook, because especially people just love photos of themselves, especially kids. So if you're doing kids, it's a really good way to get some free photos. So I'm gonna try to get as much footage as possible. We have a lot of people coming today and I have another shoot on Friday, so we're just unloading right now. We're like an hour behind, so we can't talk too much. We gotta go.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me.
So right now, I'm just gonna replace the stands for the back of the backdrop stand. I'm just gonna drill them in.
About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow.
We also got 2 free cakes donated by a local bakery. That's what happens when you just reach out on Facebook groups and stuff. That's what I did, and she offered up 2 free cakes for the cake smash photo shoot. So that was so good, and it really made the shot better. So here's some of the fun shots that I got from the shoot, and I'll just have to edit them and plug them into advertisements. Can't compete with the bubbles, huh? Yeah.
Thank you for coming. You did good.